Hello all, this is Damini, co-founder of WeMakeScholars, making this video after a long time, and this is a thank you video. So I'm very happy unboxing this silver play button which we have received from YouTube because we crossed 1 lakh subscribers on our channel. It made all of us at WeMakeScholars so happy because it is truly an indication of the trust our viewers have on us. So when we started Loanflix web series in December 2018, we barely had about 1,000 subscribers. But we still started Loanflix because we knew that there is a lot of information we can share with students and their parents by making detailed videos on education loans. And of course, there were videos on education loans on YouTube before us, but for most of those general finance channels, it was like, one video on education loan. They're also more like an overview, something which is made by picking information from Google. So there was no one who was actually reading bank circulars on education loans or reading loan agreements and then making detailed videos. So we knew there is a gap which we were aiming to fulfill by starting Loanflix. And honestly speaking, even today, there are videos which are very shallow in terms of information, which are ranking better on YouTube. And many of those students may never even, land on our channel when they are searching for education loans. But I can assure you one thing that, whoever lands on Loanflix, they never find anything as informative as this anywhere over the internet about education loans. And that is the reason our subscribers are glued to our channel, and we thank you from the bottom of our heart for this. And when I'm saying we, I'm actually thanking you on behalf of Rajshri, who made videos in Tamil, Tejaswini, who made videos in Telugu earlier, and Spandana, who is making videos in Telugu now, and Pragya, who is making videos in Hindi. So all of them are part of WeMakeScholars and working in their respective roles throughout the week. And on Sunday, all of us come to office to shoot Loanflix videos. So we have sacrificed so many of our weekends so that the right information can reach you. And we were greedy for this one as well. And we are still greedy for the gold one. So that's why please keep watching Loanflix and keep referring to your friends so that we can reach 1 million subscribers very soon. And in return, my promise to you is that we'll keep making these detailed videos and we will never let anyone fool any student with hidden policies on education loans. Love you lots.